Back to a German guy drinking sauerkraut juice and programming his computer. So last time we deployed our SaaS on Fly.io, and yeah, it kind of worked. Now let me get you through this. Well, after we choose a subscription plan, yeah, we get led to a page that is not reachable. We can translate that. Oh, I guess we can. Okay. It is problematic because we don't have another okay, the problem is that it works well, but after filling out the subscription plan, and I don't get the app.html shown. It only says then we need to copy this text, I guess. Maybe we can also we will probably open the logs from Fly.io. So it will tell us, let's untangle this cleanly because your symptoms are describing the point of one very specific root cause. You're seeing error connection refuse localhost hat die Verbindung verweigert. This error never comes from your code. It only happens when server is not running anymore. And that explains everything. You completed the Stripe checkout. Stripe redirects you back to localhost app, but your node server is no longer running, so the browser says connection refused. This is exactly what happens when you close the terminal, you stop the server, you restarted your PC, you ran npm start in the wrong folder. I have not started my local server, but is it the not started the local host, but I thought Fly.io will manage this for me. Now the whole picture snaps into place and the behavior making sense. Yeah, but I don't know, maybe I am not quite sure. Can we untersuchen? Okay, this is weird. Can I run? How do I get the Fly.io log? You can pull your constantly from the CLE logs. Get recent logs not streaming. Okay, then just let me copy that. Okay. So what's happening? Okay, unknown flag. Okay, so it does not know the commands. Perfect. The fly.io version simply uses a different flag name. Correct flag is noted. Okay, so I think from this we could read out a bit more information. Okay, starting machine, running firecracker, listening on API socket, starting init, preparing to run, npm run start as root, fly API proxy listening at fly.io, machine started in 1.2 seconds, info SSH listening, injecting env from env tip, injecting env from .env minus tip, warning connection session memory store is not designed for production environment and it will leak memory and will not scale a single process. Server running on port 3000. Local machine became reachable in 2.3 seconds. App SAAS project Purple Snow has now access capacity auto stopping machine. Sending signal init to main child process. Sending signal string term to main child process. Yeah, I have no idea what this means. But our friend will at least act as he knows what the answer is. So, exactly what I needed, Sebastian, and they all very clear story. Let's walk through what's happening and why your app stops responding after a few minutes. What the log shows: your app starts correctly, machine become reachable after 7 minutes of inactivity, stops your machine. Fly automatically stops your app when nobody is using it. This is called auto suspended. When you visit your Fly URL again, Fly will wake the machine, restart the server, and serve the request. Request sometimes before the machine will fully awake. Or the real root cause: your app is not broken. Fly.io machine is simply asleep when Stripe redirects back. Stripe sends the user back instantly, but Fly.io needs to wake the machine. If the is still waking, the browser shows how to fix this. Choose one. Run fly scale 1. Yeah. Instead of redirecting directly to app, redirect to wake up, and the page immediately redirects the app for 1 second. This gives Fly.io time to wake the machine. Yeah. What is the best free way to do this? Yeah, Versa, okay. No, then let me host my front end on Versa. How can I do this on the in the terminal? Perfect, Sebastian. Hosting your front end on Vercel is fast, free, and works beautifully with your Fly.io backend. npm I minus g. Let's run that bad boy. And then we will see what will happen. Maybe nothing will happen. You know, being a good programmer is mostly about just reading what the console gives you and then kind of going with the flow. Old versions of tar are not supported and contain widely publicized security vulnerabilities, which have been fixed in the current version. Please update. Support the old versions may be purchased at exorbitant rates by contacting. So I guess we have successfully installed Virtual. Let's tell this the AI. Nice, the installation worked. The warning about tar is just npm being npm. Nothing is broken, nothing you need to fix. You can continue normally. Just npm being npm. What kind of tone is my AI using? Now you can deploy your front end to Vercel from the terminal. Then run cd public. Okay, cd public. Public. Copy path. Right. Isn't quite right. What the fuck is happening? What the frequently heck will we do? Okay. I hope we are now in this. What it will be? Yeah, perfect. Okay, now I can actually see what I'm doing and do what I'm seeing. Deploy to Vercel. Okay, right. There was and there was one trick with the that you were not allowed to make any capital letter, put any capital letters in your project name. I remember from last time I did this. Vercel. Okay. Then we just run Vercel. The command line of our whatever Vercel. Setup and deploy. Yes. Setup and deploy. Which scope contains your project? Yes. Link to existing project. No. What's your project name? No, fuck that. No. In which directory? Want to modify any settings? No. Change additional project settings? No. Okay, this is great. In English, what that written here? Ah, look, okay. But I want to, sorry, what's in here? Deploy production, run versal, two later override, aliased, production HTTPS, and this is my versal. And I need to open that. This is lovely. What's happening? Not found. What the fuck? The server respond with status. Oh, you fucking wanker. You know what? I just hope it will work. And then if it won't, we will figure out how to make it work. As always. There's no problem you're not able to fix today. It's just magic of the modern programming. Success. Yeah, then I think I will need to deploy this. We need this. Look, we have app, and I think when I fail, I just do app, probably subscribe. Well, I hope this will now do whatever. I have changed that. Do I now need to push the change on fly.io again? Where's my flight tommel? Where the fuck is the flight tommel, man? What the heck? I have a render YAML. Thank God I have a rickety hacketing flight tommel. Or else I would just twinkle and twinkle all day long without. Look, frick, we need to copy the path. Now let's see. What is that? I need to write in the command line. The flight tower. Oh, fuck you. Okay. Now I hope we are in the right folder. And then to fly deploy. Deploy. Okay, waiting for depot builder. Okay, looks good. Something is happening. Okay. Newly deployed app at. Let's see. Can open. And okay, get started. username, hello, and email. Oh, welcome to the app. Oh, yeah, okay, then it was to it's already set this account. Continue. Error. I don't know what's happening. Error starting checkout. Start subscription. Then I need the fly log. Did you mean logs? Yeah, I'm just dyslexic. Okay, then we just do bug fixing. I get an error when I use a user on the subscription subscription.html. Ah shit, the message is too big. Okay, then we will just we had like a command where we could get the no tail, where we could like get the most important messages. No tail, perfect. Also too big. Oh shit. Maybe here. Okay. This will now be processed. Still very close. Stripe says no valid URL. No valid URL means Stripe rejected your success URL before even creating the checkout session. Problem is your code not flyer or not verse. Let's clean this fix this cleanly. Invalid character. Ah, fuck. Really? This is why Stripe throws that. Where has he read that? Like, honestly, what is that written? Like, god damn it. Okay, where's the error? Fra info. Invalid request error. Application keep alive. Okay, this is really weird. Dashboard Stripe, no valid URL. Okay, no valid URL. Stripe invalid request. Okay. Request log URL, invalid request error. And this is what is here. I open this link. Will get sent. To okay, Schlüsselstreifen. Explanation to what the error means. Okay, yeah, but I think it is probably better when I just listen to AI and do what it said. This is a not what is it? Character I cannot use. Okay, then I need to deploy it again. Okay, let's see. Sign in with your... I already have signed in. Yeah, but what is now going on? SAAS project. Okay. Welcome to SAAS. Okay. Somehow. No. Fuck. Oh no, guys. What is happening? Failed to load resource. Okay. Is this also because there is no URL? So in the end, when I fill out the stripe, subscription, in the end I receive not found your Stripe success URL points to a page that does not exist on your Versal front end. This is not a backend error, this is Versal saying Versal looks for index HTML. This is... Do you actually... What pages do you actually have in your front end? Yeah, okay, so Versal is weird about that. You need to have a index HTML that will be the like the app HTML. I think we need to rename it into index HTML, and then I didn't know that. Oh, okay, or we can just and forget what I was saying. App. Okay, shit, where did I declare this? I think in checkout here, app.html, and app.html. Oh, perfect. This is good. And then I need to... I think we will tune... Yeah, we will probably need to push it one more time on fly deploy. And then I hope it will work. That would be beautiful. Running smoke checks on machine. Machine is now in a good state. Okay, yeah, I hope this will work now. Oh my god. Open. Oh yeah, get started. Then we use this. Choose your plan. Okay. 4242424242424242 555 666 and welcome to the app. Okay guys, it